All right, in this video, we are adding and subtracting complex numbers. Complex numbers are numbers of the form a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers. My first one, we have 5 minus 7i plus 2 plus 4i. So when you're adding complex numbers, you're really adding the things that look the same. So I'm going to start out by doing 5 plus 2 plus, and then we're doing negative 7i plus 4i. When I do that, 5 plus 2 gives me 7. For my i's, we're just adding the number out front. So we have negative 7 plus 4, which would give you a negative 3i. And that would be your final answer. Same thing for this one. We have negative 2 plus 5i plus 1 minus 7i. So really, we're going to add negative 2 plus 1 plus 5i minus 7i. If I do negative 2 plus 1, I get a negative 1. 5 minus 7i gives me a negative 2i. And my final answer would be negative 1 minus 2i. Again, generally when you're doing these, you want to have that number that's by itself up front, and then plus or minus whatever goes with the I. To subtract, you sort of do the same thing, but like when we were subtracting polynomials, you have to distribute your negative. So the first part is still going to be 4 minus 8i, and then if I distribute my negative, we get minus 3, and then minus 6i. Again, we're going to combine the things that look the same, so I'm going to do 4 minus 3 plus negative 8i minus 6i. When I do 4 minus 3, I get 1. And then when I do negative 8 minus 6, I get negative 14i. And that should be your final answer. And my last one, again, we're going to do the same thing. We'll keep the 4 plus 6i out front. We'll distribute our negative. So negative times negative 1 is a positive 1. And negative times 2i is a negative 2i. And then we're going to combine our like terms. So we're really going to do 4 plus 1 plus 6i minus 2i. If I do 4 plus 1, I get 5. And then 6i minus 2i gives me a positive 4i. And your final answer should be 5 plus 4i. Thanks for watching.